Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and I'm going to be doing tree ring pours with each of these colors. This first color that I have is copper, and it's from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And this color here is bronze, and it's also from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. This one here I mixed together. I used FolkArt brushed pearl gold, and then I mixed in some bronze from Artist Loft. I was a little short on both, so I figured I'd mix those two together. And then this one here is FolkArt Antique Copper. And then I have black, and that is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And I'm just going to pour black in the middle of each one. And I'm also going to add a couple drops of 3-in-1 silicone to each color. That one got 3. And so did that one. Alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and give each color a little zhuzh. I may have a little too much black in that one, not sure. Okay. I don't know where the color is on that one. There, it's in the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to try to bend the cup a little. Ugh. Well, I guess we just got to keep going. There's too much in there. Ah, it's not. There we go. That didn't turn out very good there. Okay, try to work this one out a little better. It's not really wanting to come out too good. This cup isn't working too great. Alright, try. It's probably going to do the same thing. There we go. There we go. There. I'm just going to try to move it a little bit like that way. Now we'll tilt it this way. Fill this in a little bit. There we go. Okay, go back this way. I'll fill that part in after. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna fill this part in here. And some extra. Okay, now I gotta work on this corner real quick, add some here. Kind of all went off the edge on me when that cup. I'll have to tilt that a little. I'm going to tilt that just a little bit that way. Okay, now we're going to go back. All right. See, now I'm going to get my heat gun out, see if anything happens. Move that out of the way there. Okay guys, we're gonna go in for the close-up. I really love how this turned out. I think it looks really cool. I love the way the cells popped up when I used my heat gun, and the colors look really, really nice together. That looks really cool right in that area. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.